All right, hey everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees here, Southeast Michigan. Today is February the 27th. Right now it's 37 degrees. First chance I had lately to get out and assess the hives, see how many I have for dead outs. Sounds like it's not a very good year for a lot of the beekeepers, especially in California, as far as ones that have them out for almonds. Hearing guys out there losing every hive they have, and hundreds of thousands of hives. I guess they're kind of calling it a colony collapse disorder again this year. They don't really know exactly why they're doing it, dying off. So hopefully they can figure it out. But here in Michigan, I do have hives that die out every year. That's normal. Am I going to be affected by the colony collapse disorder? I don't know. It's hard to tell. I normally have a few that die off. Like I said, it's normal. It happens. So we'll pop open a couple boxes. Just pop the lids, and I'm going to put some fondant on. I have some fondant left over from last year. Might not be the best in the world, but it's something. And in the process, I can count up and figure out what percentage loss I have here at my main yard, and hopefully I can get a response into Rob at Robbie's. He's kind of doing a tally and figuring out how many everybody has lost in the areas. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, we'll pop open a couple here to start, and then I'll go through them all and then come back with you at the end and see what we got for a total. So, and spin you around here. And I haven't checked any of these, so I don't know what we're going to get into. And that one's done. Like, okay, this one still got a light. Okay, yeah, 1 second. Let me grab some of these fondants, and let me put you down here. Some of these are still stuck together. Should kind of separate them ahead of time. All right, these fondants I'm using, I got a couple Hive Alive left over that I was trying. These are the strong microbial, I can't even say it, fondants. All right, this one, got life in this one. Put you guys down again. Like I said, I should have popped these apart ahead of time. My apologies. Put that one there. Let's see. That one's got a poopy front. I'm pretty sure that one's gonna have bees in it. Let's go to this one. That one is a goner. And let's see. All right, that one's got some. Here, put the Hive Live on this one. All right, so there's a couple. Jeez, Nathan. Not sitting down all the way. I'll come back to that in a minute. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I'll come back to you here in the end and get a total and let you know how we're doing. All right, well, back with you. I ended up putting my jacket and veil on. A couple of them ended up boiling out on me, so did that. But anyways, I got 2 more here to go through. Right here. So these will be the last 2, and then we'll do some calculating here. So let's see, this one. Yep, that one's done. And let's see on this one. Yeah, a couple of them coming out here. All right, looks like I left the apple var strips in too. All right, trying to do this and hold on here. All right, had to get the glove on. All right, well, that is 18. So let's see, 18. I got 44 here that I went into the winter with. So 18, looking at 41% survival here. I don't know about my I got 1 out yard. I don't know what that looks like. So I mean, it's not horrible, it's not good also. I think that's so far the highest numbers of losses I've had since I started. So hopefully people can kind of figure out what's going on, if it's a new virus or something like that. I'm not saying I'm perfect at beekeeping. There's some variables that could have been from me also. So I'm not ruling that out. And I'm not trying to entirely blame it on CCD, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't lose too many more. Should be okay. Can still make a go at it with what I got here after splits. And we'll see what happens. Gonna maybe check back out here probably 2 or 3 weeks from now. I'll probably start putting pollen patties on. If it starts warming up better, start getting the ones here that start getting them brewed up, and I can at least split the ones that I have that made it. So we'll see what happens, but I don't know, I'll check back with all you in a couple weeks and see what happens. All right, till the next one. Catch you later.